If you're here, it's likely because you've been holding it all in. And that can feel like pressure, overwhelm, anger, shutdown. Maybe you've been holding yourself back and swallowing your truth, or you've been trying to keep the peace. Or maybe you've simply been surviving. You've been adapting to your circumstances, your life, the people who've come into it. So first off, you can thank yourself for doing what you've needed to do to make it through. But now I invite you to take the next few minutes to soften and simply allow yourself to feel. In this practice, we're not going to push any emotions out of you, and we aren't going to fix anything either. We're just making a safe space for what's in you right now to move. So you can start by finding a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down, whichever you prefer, and begin to feel the support beneath you. Notice your connection and contact with that support, with the earth, and feel how the earth is holding you back. You can let your shoulders soften and let your breath naturally soften and slow down without any forcing. And you can place one hand over your heart, place your other hand over your belly, feeling the warmth of your hands, the support of your hands. And just be with yourself here. Letting your nervous system register, it's safe to be here. It's safe to pause. It's safe to feel. I don't have to hold this alone. Now you can either tap or lightly massage into the inside of your eyebrows. And if you're sitting, you can let your head relax into your fingertips, and perhaps circling the fingers into this point as you let the head weigh down into the fingers. Just feeling this release through your eyebrows, through your forehead, through your neck. And now let's take the fingers, and you can tap or massage, whichever you prefer, or do both, to the temples. And as you're doing this, feeling your breath rest into your belly, feeling your jaw, your tongue, your throat relax. Just feeling into the support of your fingers. This simple movement. And now you can tap or massage under your eyes. It's the bones underneath the eyes. Just exploring this space with your fingers. Feeling the belly relax. And now you can take your fingers and tap and or massage underneath your collarbones. feeling the space through your lungs, through your heart. And as you breathe and relax, you can repeat after me, either out loud or in your head. It's safe to soften. It's safe to feel what I feel. I don't have to hold this anymore. I am here with myself now. And you can let your arms rest down, keeping your eyes closed or relaxed, feeling into any sensations that are moving through you. And you might feel nothing. Whatever arises or doesn't is welcome. Let your breath move into the places that feel tight. And let your body start to exhale some of the pressure, the emotion, the memories that you've been holding on to and carrying. If a wave of emotion begins to rise, let it. If tears come, or tension or frustration arises, stay with it. And let yourself ground into the sensation of it, feeling whatever is arising in your body. Letting yourself ground and rest out of the stories of these sensations. Whatever you're feeling, whatever is surfacing, isn't a problem. Feeling your emotions and letting them move is healing because they're messengers. Maybe anger just wants you to feel safe, and maybe sadness just wants to be seen. You don't have to explain it. You don't have to fix it. You're just giving it space. You're giving it a voice, or you're giving it a breath. Now bring both hands over your heart. Feel the quiet that can follow expression. This quiet isn't emptiness, it's spaciousness. This is you coming home to yourself. Now you can take a final grounding breath and remember, you're not too much. Your feelings aren't a burden, and you don't have to carry them alone anymore. If this practice resonated for you, grab my free nervous system starter kit to help you find more calm, more energy and ease, even when you feel overwhelmed. And if you're ready to explore private mentorship with me, you can learn more about that. I'll drop a link in the description below. Take care. I hope to see you in the next practice.